Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to import make models work on your custom map on Call of Duty 4, so you can change your model. First things first, you want to have obviously a map built. Oh, I don't know why my grid's messed up here, but you can still use it. Just grab any texture here. This metal will do, hopefully. Oh, even my 3D thing's messed up. That's alright, we can live with that for a moment for this tutorial. Right. Once you have your room, simply make sure you've got your model downloaded. I've got this off CSG Factory. It's the Joker. Once you've downloaded that, just simply go into your mod tools directory. Mine's on my new folder. Go into raw, and then you want to drag and drop all these files into your raw folder. You don't have to drag and drop the mod csv.txt. Once you've dragged and dropped that, just simply go back to your map. You most probably have to reopen it for it to work. Go here, go to model, and simply go to where your model is, which new folder, raw, and then X model, which is here, and then find a Joker player, which is here, Joker, open, rotate this motherfucker. Alright, moving down a bit. There we go, like so. Once he's here, just simply right click, go to trigger use, not trigger use touch, trigger use. Just simply put this around him. Just make it nice and big for now. Right, once you've done that, shift click your trigger, click N. Alright, I've got all this written out, but I'll put it all in the description for you. The key should be target name, Control B, and the value should be whatever you want to call him. Joker, mine's going to be called. Once he's in there, I'm just going to quickly import some spawns. Import, whatever that fucking means. Put models in. Like so. I just import them in, so I like loads of them, so I definitely know that will work on quad jumper and stuff. Like so. Once that in, just file, save. Oh, wrong folder. Map source. We do mp underscore. What should we call it? What should we call it? I don't know. We'll call it TUT12. Call it TUT12. Once that's done, just click save. Make sure it's saved. Just minimize that for now. Don't really need that. And then what you want to do is we want to go to your raw maps. Where's maps? MP, and then we wanna we'll copy this one, copy backlot, just paste it in. Where is it? Just pasted it. Here it is here. You wanna open that. You wanna just put / here, 2 dashes here. Once that's done, you wanna rename everything what's called backlot to your map name. For example, TUT12. I think there's a quick way you can do this, but I'm not sure how to do it. Can't remember. TUT12. Alright. Make sure that's last one. Yep, that's it. Once you're here, just simply you want to thread it through, so what we'll do is we'll just make a bit more room up here so we can actually add the thingies in. And we'll thread it at the bottom. THRE thread, and then the name of what you called it in your map, call it Joker. And then you want to have the script as well, which I'll put this in the description, like so. Just go down Joker. So you can pretty much call it anything you want. You can thread it and call it Bill Murray, legend, or Bill or Bob Marley, even more of a legend. And you just have to rename it here as well. Keep that how it is, the player model. Joker, yep. Once that's done, you simply want to go here as well, add these in. So copy and then paste these through here like this. Once that's threaded and stuff, file, save as mp_tut12.gsc. Make sure it's saved as a GSE file. And then once that's saved, simply refresh here. I want to make sure I've got everything done right first. Just compile PSP, build fast file. Yes, I would like to create them. Right, update zone file. This is pretty simple. In your file, you should have the mod CSV. You copy and paste that in here, like so. Just click save, like that. Once that's saved, yep. And then pretty much what you want to do is minimize everything for now. Minimize. Go into your directory of your mod tools. Go into zone, English, mp_tut12. Should be 2 folders. Copy and we'll paste them here. I should have this here, which we can pretty much chuck that in the bin. We'll keep that. Rename this to mp_. You can pretty much just make a new folder for this. 12. Drag and drop these in here. To how I got this IWD file, I just pretty much went into user maps and just grabbed an IWD file from the thingy and just copy and pasted it onto my desktop, which is an easy way of doing. And then make an images folder, which is already in here, and then pretty much the Joker's already in here. But pretty much you want to go into the images of the file that you downloaded, drag and drop every single one of them in here, like so. Once that's done, just minimize. We'll rename this mp_tut12. Drag and drop that in there. Drag and drop this into here, like so. Now I think we are ready to go. Just build fast file again. See if we get an error. If we get an error, we can easily fix it. Nope, we didn't get an error. All we'll do is we just dev map it quick, like so. It most probably may be white for now. Oh. Right, one. Yeah, see it's white, but I'll show you that it works.
Let's do this, Marines.
See, you have now changed to custom model. Let's just disconnect quick from here. I believe it works for quad jumper mods. Load up any quad jumper that you want. Game type CJ dev map mp_tut12 tut12 player. There you have it. There's a Joker imported. You see there, model changed to Joker. third person. Oh, twins! Motherfucker. And there you have it. There's the Joker imported into your custom map. Alright, let's quit out of here. And that's pretty much it. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it's pretty much helped. Yeah, if you want any more tutorials on maps or importing weapons and stuff like that, let me know and I'll be happy to do so. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, homies. Peace out, man.